And I'd like to greet you guys at the top of the morning. And welcome back to another episode of Wealth Wise Guru. And I'm your host, John Chav. It is Tuesday morning, June the 17th, 2024. And we are just a few hours just past the opening of the bell. And we are investing this morning $20,569.40. Portfolio is down $230.94, with a buying power of just a little over $100. And so let's get into the morning brief. Investor segments is cautious as geopolitical tension rise, impacting market confidence. The market are experiencing volatility today, primarily driven due to the escalating conflict between Israel and Iran, which has raised concerns among investors. The geopolitical tensions has led to increased oil prices, further complicating market dynamics. Major index are reflecting bearish trends, with futures indicating a lower opening economic data, showing a showdown in consumer spending has added to the cautious segment as investors worry about potential impacts on the economic growth and corporate earnings. While technology stocks are performing relatively well, benefiting from strong demand, sectors like energy and defense are facing challenges due to the ongoing geopolitical risk. And you got the up and coming events, 620. You got the Federal Reserve meeting. The Federal Reserve up and coming meeting is crucial as it may signal future interests, rates changing, impacting borrowing costs and market liquidity. 6:30, you got the Q2 earnings report to begin. The start of the second quarter earnings season will provide insights into corporate performances, influencing investor segment and market direction. And 7:04, you got Independence Day market closure. The market will be closed for Independence Day, which may lead to increased trading activities in the days leading up to the holiday, as the investors adjust their positions. Escalating Israel-Iran conflict between and rising oil prices. The conflict again between Israel and Iran has intensified, leading to increased oil prices and market volatility. This geopolitical tension is causing investors to adopt a cautious stance, impacting overall market segments. The U.S. stock market declines amid geopolitical tensions. The U.S. stock futures indicated a lower opening as major index faces declines due to the geopolitical risk and weaker consumer spending data. The market bearish trend reflects investors' concerns over the ongoing conflict in the Middle East. Consumer spending slows, impacting market segments. Economic data revealed a slowdown in consumer spending, contributing to bearish trends in the market, in the stock market. This decline raises concerns about economic growth and corporate earnings, further reflecting investors' confidence. And so again, that's going to do it for your morning brief. And looks like we're going to be starting out today's trading in the red. We're down by $177. Well, it's $162 now. So let's take a look at the portfolio. Looks up as options. We got 2 options, or in the green, and 3 are in the red. Overall portfolio is actually valued at $75,297.67. It's actually down about $217. And I have 208 holdings in my portfolio. I have added some this morning due to the geopolitical tensions that's going on in the world between Israel and Iran. I added some more military type stocks, because when war seems to loom, then you have these military type stocks seems to go up in value. And I'm going to be letting you know which ones that I purchased this morning. But first up is Tesla. Tesla's trading at $322.65. It's actually down about $6.37. And I currently have 2.5 shares of it, with a value of $8.37 this morning. And so far it's been negative $16.59. Northrop Grumman is a stock I just added this morning. It's trading at 501.13. I'm at 0.121 in shares for market value of $60.68. I'm going to be adding some more soon. This stock about Northrop Grumman. Northrop Grumman engages in the provision of advanced aircraft system that operates through the following segments: aeronautics system, defense system, mission system, and space system. The aeronautics system segment is involved in the design and development, production of integration of sustainment and modernization of advanced aircraft system for the United States Air Force and also for the U.S. Navy and other U.S. government agencies and international customers. This defense segment includes integrated battle management system, weapon system and aircraft, and mission system and sustainment and modernization. The mission system segment offers advanced mission solution and manufacturing system primarily for the U.S. defense and intelligence community and international customers as well. The space system segments deliver end-to-end missions solution through the design, development, and integration, production of and operation of space missiles, launch, and strategy missile system for national security. And so this is just one of the military stocks that I have purchased this morning. I had a very small share of it already. I added some this morning. The CEO is Kathy J. Warden, and this company was founded in 1939, has 97,000 employees. Headquarters is in Falls Church, Virginia. And here's the stacks on this company. And here's the analyst ratings, 50% buy, 44% hold. And here's the news on it. Northrop warms up to five aerospace with a $50 million investment. So, like I said, once again, this is just one of the defense companies that I have just added to my portfolio. And see, let's go on down a little bit further. And there's others too that it suggests, and I have added those as well. Lockheed Martin. Lockheed Martin is trading at 475.71 this morning. I have still small shares of it. I'm going to be adding some more later on. Lockheed Martin is a global security aerospace company which engages in the research, design, development, manufacturers of integration and sustainment of technology system, products, and services. It operates through the following business: aeronautics, missiles, and fire control, and rotary and mission system, RMS, MS in space and the aeronautic segments, research, design, develops, manufacture, and integrate, sustain, support, and upgrades advanced military aircraft. And so this is another military type stock that you need to have in your portfolio. And this is the stocks that has 44% buying power, 52% holdings. And since we are Israel is ramping up its attacks on Iran, so you might well to invest in these stocks too, because there's money also in the war type of stocks, and war types of stocks or stocks that actually create and invest, create and manufacture, advanced aerospace planes and missiles and things like that. RTX would be another company to invest in and have in your portfolio. So this is a military type of stock as well, dealing with defense. REX, RTX. And also General Dynamics. General Dynamics is trading at 280.27, and I have a very small position. I'm going to be adding to it, and not so near future. And as you can see, it's also an aerospace and defense company as well, engaged in the manufacturing of to deliver solutions. It operates through the following business segments: aerospace, marine system, combat system, and technologies. The aerospace segments include the production of business jets, technology aircraft, repair, support, and completion services. The marine system segments involved in the design and building of nuclear-powered submarines, surface combatants, and auxiliary ships design and construction. You want to be added these companies as well into your portfolio, because as sad as it is, they make money off of wars and rumors of wars. And so these companies are engaging in keeping us safe by building and manufacturing these missile defense and aircraft and solutions for us. See, ExxonMobil is it's actually trading at this morning at 114.24. It's actually up this morning by $1.80. I have very small shares of it, but still, I have it in my portfolio. Need to be added some to this as well. And so this stock is probably going to be going up due to the geopolitical tensions that's going on in Israel and Iran. Chevron is another company that you want to be investing in. Stocks is going to be going up. It's also an oil company as well. And so let's see, Metal Facebook is trading at this morning 702.64. It's actually up this morning by 52 cents. 1.46 shares, market value $1,026.41. And this is today's return is 0.9075, and total return is 172. Meta Meta Facebook. Wow, Meta Facebook is trading this morning at 702. 702.87. It's actually up by 75 cents. My current position is 1.4 with a market value of $1,026.73. So far, this has yielded me under $1 this morning. A total of 173.08. Boeing Airlines is up a little bit by $1.77. Trading this morning 203.56. Current position is 5.17. For market value of 1,053.35. Total return is 9.42. Altogether is 145.88. And Boeing is an excellent company to have in your portfolio as well. Apple is in the red this morning, down by 80 cents. Apple is trading at 197.68. It's actually down by 76 cents. Currently have 4.89 shares of it with a market value of $9.68. Total return today is negative 3.77 so far. Google is actually trading at 177.12 or 14. It's up this morning by 37 cents. I have 100 shares of it with a market value of $17,809. The portfolio is at 30.70. Total return 41.28. Altogether 16.55 or 57. Amazon actually trading up this morning at 216.20. It's actually up this morning by 10 cents. My position is currently have 4.89 shares of it for market value of $1,058. And its returns this morning is on $1. Total 100. Returned $100. Google Alphabet Class C. It's actually trading at this morning 178.41. That's 4.5 shares of it with market value of $804. Return this morning $1.94. Total is 40.44. Delta Airlines actually down by $1.36. Delta Airlines trading at 48.12. Currently had 3.4 shares of it with a market value of $167. So for today, it's negative $4.71. Total negative $40.53. McDonald's is also in the red, down by $1.40. Trading at $294.89. 0.45 shares, market value of $133.65. AMD is a blue chip semiconductor company. They make blue chip as well. We put blue chips in everything. Those smart chips from your automobiles, your cell phones, your modern day appliances. Blue chips is everywhere. And I have 1.7 shares of it with a market value of $221. It's up today by $3.25. Netflix is doing its thing at the 128 with market value of 122.6. I have 0.6 shares of it with market value of $802. And so I don't buy the whole shares of it. I just buy it in fractional. And even with fractional, I'm still coming up on $1,000 of it. If you buy enough fractional shares of a stock that's so expensive like Netflix, if you buy in fractional shares, eventually you can get to where you own a whole share of it. Microsoft is trading at 146.70. It's down this morning by $2.40. 1.09 shares of it for market value of $523.67. S&P Y is down this morning. It's down by $1.78, trading at 600.92. Current position 1.7, market value 1,030. So far today is negative $3, total 46. Berkshire Hathaway is down this morning by $3.88, trading at $486.36. This is the Berkshire Hathaway B or E to C. A, you cannot get into A. No one can afford that. So this is where you can also get into it, and for the common man and common women can get into this and invest in this company as well. Warren Buffett company, Berkshire Hathaway. A is probably trading at 700 and some thousands of dollars a share. So nobody, I don't know too many people that can afford a share starting at $700,000. This is Berkshire. See, look at the shares. They're sitting at $729,513.28. Once upon a time, you was able to buy a small share of it in fractional. Well, they have since closed that off, so that's why I have 0.397 shares of it with a market value of $289. But now you cannot purchase this in dollars. Let's try anyway and see. Yeah, see. So fractional shares now is unavailable for Berkshire Hathaway Class C. In order to buy a whole share of it, see, it will cost you $729,538. Yeah, who has $1 million to spend on one company? What food would do that? $1 million, man, you can buy the entire stock market with that kind of money. So why would you want to put all your eggs in one basket like that? Nvidia is down this morning by 40 cents. It's trading at 144.66. I currently have 104 shares of it with a market value of $15,136.44. Negative this morning, $6.80. Total return $17.60. Option side of it's not doing too good. So I'm gonna come up with kind of strategies to get out of that, mitigate that terrible options. It's probably bad due to the geopolitical tensions that are going on around the world, and the Trump administration. They saying one thing and then turn around and doing and switching over and doing another, making the stock market operate with a lot of volatility and a lot of uncertainties, because of the way they keep going back and forth with different policies and different stance. It's putting the stock market in a frenzy. The Nasdaq is actually down by 60 cents, trading at 86.08 this morning. I currently have 5.84 shares of it with a market value of 503. And Pioneer Technology is actually down this morning as well. It's down by $1.28. Trading at the 140.13, down $1.28. I have 1.67 shares of it with a market value of $23,427. So for today, it's negative $200. Total return has been $4,468. And so that's going to do it for today's video. Again, we thank you for tuning in and watching. We already are at the 30 minutes timeline. Let's see, GLD, SPDR, Gold Trust. Market get too crazy and you want to put your money in safe haven in gold. You cannot go wrong with investing in gold, copper, and silver. Even though it's down just a little bit this morning. Also, iShares Civil Trust 33 trading at 33.76. I currently have 1.1 share of it with a market value of $33.76. So yeah, that's safe haven for you to put your money into, and you're not having to worry about all this market volatility and geopolitical stance due to the uncertainties of the market. These are all the other companies that you can also invest in, and also be a safe haven for your money. And so that's going to do it for today's video. Again, we thank you for tuning in and watching another episode of WealthWiseGuru. And if nothing else significantly happens today that affects the market, then I will see you guys again on Wednesday morning at the opening of the bell. Until then, may all your trades be a good one. Have a good and blessed day. Be safe as you travel to and fro. And we'll see you guys again on Wednesday morning at the opening of the bell.